Hi everybody, this is teacher Fernando and welcome to today's class. Today I am talking about the future with will. So let's get started. In general terms, will is used to talk about predictions and unplanned events. So these predictions are based on personal opinion, not on actual events or facts. We can make affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences, and of course, the short answers to those interrogative sentences. So, let's see. So, in an affirmative sentence, you have first the subject, then will. After that, you have the main verb, and then you might have the complement of the sentence. For example, I will open the door. In a negative sentence, we just add the adverb of negation not. So we have the subject, will, the adverb of negation not, the main verb, and the complement. So you can say the ocean will not be cold, or use the contraction won't instead of will not. Remember, you can use a contraction in speaking an informal text. Now let's continue with the interrogative sentences. When you make interrogative sentences, you first put the word will at the beginning of the sentence. Then you put the subject, and then you put the main verb, and if it's necessary, you put a complement. For example, will you receive it? Or will he go to the beach? Or will you open the door? And of course, you have to place a question mark at the end. And you can answer those questions by making short answers. For example, you can say yes, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or they will. Or no, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or they won't. So, for example, will you go to the beach? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Will she go to the beach? Yes, she will. No, she won't. And so on and so forth. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you for being here and watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. This was teacher Fernando. Goodbye.